That is one pretty slab. Can't wait to see that grade. That was perfect cut, Sammy. That was perfect. We're milling the wood out for our coasters. One of the many problems we run into. A nail right there. So here's the oak slab. There's a nail right there. Let's take a look. It's weird to have it right in the dead center of the tree. Here's that slab. Let's see if you can see it there. Go ahead and see if you can get it out. Let's take a look at it. Oh, is that a bullet? Slab of wood is all dried and now just getting planed on both sides. Cross cut. We're going to use the fest tool to rip a straight edge, and then table saw to run the opposing edge parallel. Then let's work on the mahogany. Let's cut that mahogany strip out next. And then a glue clamp up. This is actually a cutting board, but it gives you the idea. Glued and clamped it up, then cross cut them, surfaced again, cut them down to size. Got the coasters done, sanded, routed. That'll be a stand for our coasters. All hand milled out. Very nice, very nice. What's that going here?
We've got our coasters for the Tree Transformations website.
If I want a pair of these, where can I get them?
Treetransformations.com.
And how many come in a set?
4.
Then tell me about this wood.
This is oak wood that we milled, mixed with a mahogany strip, and we put all the pieces together, glued it with some wood glue, ran it through the planer, and then cross-cut them to size.
Oh.
And then we made a dado stack.
Beautiful.